Welcome friends to one more park workout. It's a hard Monday. We're at the middle park, and let me tell you, the exercise challenge today was just to get here. Even though it's a lovely day in the mid-upper 70s and sunny, there's a few clouds out there. We were comfortable in the spot. We had a fairly long walk yesterday, and our right leg, the upper part, is feeling a little sore, kind of achy sore. But we told ourselves, you know what, we'll get out here, we'll do a demo or a tutorial, or once we get out here we might even get some kind of a workout in. So we're going to do whatever it is we do, even if it's just soaking up the sun. We're grateful for the ability to get here and be here. So we'll do what we do and get back to you guys right after this message. It's another year of real life fitness, my friends. In the gym, out in the park, on the monkey bars, getting the job done. We are thriving in 25. It's Serenity year, but we don't slack. We got to get our groove on, get stronger, access the bodybuilding protocol. And we got something special for you behind the curtain. Everywhere we are is good fitness. It's positive exercise, positive results. Fortnight protocol, monkey bars, Jimmy Jam, park workout. Join us. A few notes before packing it in, my friends. First of all, this is our first day of Fortnight 2. It's actually the first fortnight of the new year because we started late in December. Number 2, it's a very hard Monday. As we have noted in the past, it seems like every other week is a strong week. And I'm thinking we do something very light on the weak Mondays, and then we'll be stronger on the strong ones. We could go all out. We feel like we're at about 25% of where we were last week. So we didn't take any video, so we'll just run the usual impressive slides. Number 3, I thoroughly and honestly feel the difference between going from weightlifting to the bar work calisthenics and back to the weightlifting. In these days that we're out here on the bar, I guess the vessel kind of conforms, kind of has an idea what to expect, and then we go in and lift weights. It's a whole different program, and the vessel responds accordingly. Talk about your muscle confusion. This is muscle confusion within 1 week. So while we feel we're at 25, and let's boost it up to 33% of where we were last week, we got our essential stuff in. We got the one-arm pull-ups. We're like 4 pumps now instead of 3. We got the pull-ups with the towel. We got the regular chin-ups and pull-ups. Got 10 each of those. So we're still good with the double hand. Also, we're practicing with the 2-finger pull-ups, and they're not even pull-ups yet. They're hangs, they're pulls, they're just balancing with the 2 fingers to get these bad boys stronger. We work legs with the TRX stuff. Legs are weaker today. Mentioned that in the first part. What else? Oh yeah, and the front lever practice. Lever practice is our playground planks. Try saying that 3 times fast. Maybe I'll have it for you by the end of the month. Front levers are our park planks. That's what they are. And we started with the jump rope. And there's a second breath coming, so we might do a little bit more work before we roll out. A little bit of the behind the scenes after the camera goes off stuff. We thank you guys, as always, for joining us in our longevity practice. Remember, stay well, stay fit, stay awesome. We appreciate you, and we'll see you next workout.